Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Tech. So in this video, I will show you the tricks on how to farm fast in typeandcash.com or how to earn money in easy and fastest way in typeandcash.com. So this trick will let you earn money in Type and Cash without doing anything. Okay? So first of all, ano nga ba yung Type and Cash? So Type and Cash is a CAPTCHA work. So I have a video about how to register without investing money in Type and Cash. So meron akong video ginawa kung paano mag-register and kung paano yung flow ng work dito sa Type and Cash. So I'll put the link below. Watch and listen carefully for a full explanation. Okay? So the link is located below, no? So going back, before proceeding to Type and Cash, download first the auto clicker in Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store. So please disregard the background noise guys, no? So medyo maingay yung surroundings ko dito. Okay, so this is the icon for the auto clicker. Just search in Google Play Store auto clicker. So upon installing the application, open the application and focus on multi-target mode. In multi-target mode, click settings. So delay time must be 3 milliseconds, okay? 3 milliseconds. And swipe duration must be at 500 milliseconds. So constant, nothing to change. Okay? Don't forget the delay and swipe duration, guys. This is important. Okay, then go back. Okay, so multi-target mode, click enable. New configuration. You can create a your own configuration. Okay, so papakita ko mamaya kung ano yung ginawa ko. So new configuration, guys. Let's make it step by step. Okay, so go back to home and go to your messages. Punta kayo sa message nyo. Okay, so click the other plus button. Kita nyo naman, no? Dito siya sa gilid. Okay, so every circle, guys. Okay, medyo mahirap. So every circle must be placed to its designated letter. Okay, medyo matagal lang. Okay, so this will take for a while. That's why I'm going to load my save configuration, okay? So in my settings, load configuration, Type and Cash. Okay, so it should be like this, guys. And after you place all the circle to all the letter, go to typeandcash.com in browser or Google Chrome. So let us see if it will work. So ganito dapat siya. Every circle must be placed on letter, okay? So go back and Google Chrome, typeandcash.com. Okay, start. Tingnan natin kung mag-work siya, okay? Click here. Okay. Then click the play button sa taas ng add or plus button. Okay, so you have 2 minutes. So far working siya, no? So working siya, instead of typing, you just watch it for 2 minutes typing by itself. Para ito sa mga tamad talaga. Oo guys, pang tamad talaga siya. Easy work, easy money. So kung saan siya magta-type. And yung points na ma-earn mo dito guys will be converted it by money. Okay? Ito yung nadadagdagan sa gilid which is 23, 24. Yan yung points nyo. And it will be converted by money. Okay? Yung explanation ko about dito sa Type and Cash, nasa ilalim naman yung link. So kung gusto nyong mag-work dito, madali lang naman makapasok. So panoorin nyo na kung gusto nyong sideline income. Sideline income lang naman siya guys, mini or micro job. Tulad yan, wala kamang ginagawa, no? Okay, so let's finish the 2 minutes guys, and 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 49 points. Okay, so if this is helpful to you, so don't forget to subscribe on my channel and have a good day. God bless.